Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I am a day late on Color and Create with Us, You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art's channel. She is our host for this open collaboration. You could either color or create or do both. I am only going to do the coloring part. I am working on a fall card for family and friends, and it's not done. So I cannot share that with you all. But I am working on it. I have my punched out leaves and things, and I haven't gotten the layout the way I want it, but I will show that at another time. So today our page was this medallion, or yesterday. It was supposed to be for yesterday, not today. But I wanted to come on and share it anyway because I just finished it. I believe this is a medallion. I don't know. I think it is, but it's, I tried to use all the different colors in my color pencil bag. Kind of muted tone colors. I love the black, how it shows up. I wasn't sure if I wanted black in this, but it's striking. So I really like how that looks. Next week, next Monday's page is this page, and it says fall, and I love owls, so this is going to be lots of fun to color. Yeah, so that is my page for this week. Sorry, Rosemary, I did not post this on Monday. Hopefully next Monday I will be able to post on time. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.